Jamie is helping out. Okay, hand it to Zoe. Zoe, take this and put it underneath.
Okay, now
We have Zoe also. Yes.
Underneath what?
Just like give it to Asha. She knows what to do with it. And this is the rest of the area. And we are taking off from Shoreline Village. This is in Long Beach, California. And this is the rest of the area. And this is me. That's Zoe. All right.
Now where does the strap go? Back to you?
Yeah, you just throw it here.
Okay, make sure it doesn't go in the water.
Yeah. Throw it here. There you are. More stuff to do. Not finished. And now we can see Queen
Here's
Elizabeth.
One more strap coming.
Oh, strap coming. Okay, throw it in. There you are. Just leave it here.
One
Here, or
hand
should I
fold
put
down.
it down?
Take it out and we can bring it in.
Okay, one
Yeah. Okay,
Careful.
throw it in. Thank
hooks.
you.
Come in now.
Yeah, come on. Still inside the jetty here, the Long Beach. On the right hand side, this is,
That's not Los Angeles, that's Long Beach.
yeah, that's Port of Los Angeles.
Oh, that is Port of Los Angeles.
Yeah.
Okay, you're right, Sozo.
Yeah. So that
That's Port of
one
Los Angeles.
and that San Pedro actually. And then here we have this oil producing islands. And these are not islands. They are like put here to get oil. And the government pushed them. This is when 25-30 years ago they put them here. They had to spend $50 million
So
to
this is
make
where the
it.
tankers empty their oil?
No, actually there is no such a thing. There are smaller boats that they go pick it up.
Oh, okay.
And here we have Jamie at the helm. There is the Carnival on the left side. we're gonna go back now. Back to the
Maybe
boat.
one day let's take William to this
Who's got the
island.
right of way now? Me or him?
No, you're good. You're
Good,
good.
I got
Yeah,
the
just
right
keep going. Yeah. So we will be fine. And this is the lighthouse.
That's straight enough? Is
No.
it straight enough?
Yeah, this good. We're almost getting ready to go back. Passing
They're
by
dancing, yeah.
the
They're
carnival.
having a good time.
Who's dancing?
They're shenaniganing.
Yeah,
Oh, the ship.
there, inside they're dancing, right there.
Some music on.
Somebody.
I'm too busy watching what I'm doing, Cap.
Yeah.
I
You're
don't have
doing
time.
good.
I don't. Arr!
Yeah, we have the seal over here. The orca. Yeah,
Oh, there's a sea lion.
yeah. Poor thing.
Yeah, he's resting.
Sick, yeah.
Thinks it's sick?
Yes.
Is he
Yeah, that
resting?
first
The
day.
one- the one that used to live
This
here.
all the way to the end.
Okay.
That's her.
Now,
This was her
here.
apartment.
That one, you see
The
the
very end. The
two stories?
It was
That's
a
her-
two-story house.
that
It
was
like
her
a house,
apartment
but it was
over there.
separate. This is
Yeah.
in the
Which is rather
From
beautiful.
here, we're gonna go to the left, and we're gonna go see Diana's apartment, and that's where the Mother Mary
Yeah,
statue
then from
is.
there.